Oh my god. GG's, game over, fatality. So story time. When we was when my mom was going to work, right? And then it started storming out of nowhere. So my mom worked like overclock in nighttime. So yeah, it raining heavily, it's storming out of nowhere. It started thunderstorming out of nowhere. And guys, I'm all soaked. Yes, it's really dark, so you can't even see me. But if you can see, I'm really soaked. Hold up. Oh god, I don't think you can see me. Oh, you can see me there. Here's the storm. Here's a little bit of the storm. There's me. Lightning all over. Bro, it looks so tough in the background. Yo, when the lightning does it, I look so tough. Guys, look. Which one could do lightning? Maybe it will not, but let's see. This is me. Oh, I look so tough. Hi guys. Alright, we're in a place where there's a lot of light now. Guys, this is my Roblox hoodie right here. This is my Roblox hoodie. There's also my legs are soaked as well. There's a lot going on in Alabama right now, guys. So, yeah. Big back, bye!